Welcome to my comprehensive review of MoneyControl, the platform that's become synonymous with tracking investments and staying updated on the stock market. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your financial journey, MoneyControl promises to offer tools and insights that cater to every need. In this video, we'll dive deep into its interface, key features, and overall user experience to help you determine whether it's the right tool for you. Starting with the homepage, MoneyControl immediately presents a wealth of information. The dashboard is divided into sections featuring live market data, portfolio summaries, and the latest financial news. Navigating this layout feels intuitive, and the real-time updates ensure you're never behind on market developments. One of its standout features is the portfolio tracker. You can easily add your stocks, mutual funds, or other assets, and the platform provides detailed analytics, including gain/loss percentages, current market value, and dividend history. This is particularly useful for those who want a consolidated view of their investments without switching between multiple apps. Another impressive tool is the stock screener, which allows users to filter stocks based on various parameters, like market capitalization, sector, or technical indicators. For those interested in financial news, the platform delivers a steady stream of updates, including expert opinions, market trends, and global economic news. The Markets section provides in-depth insights into indices like Nifty, Sensex, and even global indices like Dow Jones or Nasdaq. Each stock page comes with detailed technical charts, historical data, and expert reviews, making it a one-stop destination for in-depth analysis. If you prefer mobile access, MoneyControl's app mirrors the website's functionality, offering a seamless experience on the go. Notifications keep you updated on critical market movements, ensuring you never miss out on time-sensitive opportunities. While MoneyControl excels in providing a vast array of tools, it's not without its downsides. Beginners may find the wealth of information overwhelming at first, and some features require a subscription to their Pro version. That said, the Pro features, such as ad-free usage and advanced analytics, might be worth considering for serious investors. Overall, MoneyControl is a powerful tool for anyone looking to stay ahead in the financial game. Its comprehensive features, combined with a user-friendly interface, make it a top choice for personal finance management and investment tracking. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and financial tips. Thanks for watching.